Well, ahoy there. It is one beautiful Kodiak morning. I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyway, we're going to be heading into town today and go talk to our friends the Millions about their food trailer. Because the food trailer thing's kind of a thing. Well, these are friends of ours, so it's extra cool. And when you find out what they're doing and how they're doing it, I think you'll think it's triple cool. So enjoy.
The food truck was my idea, and I started it because I love food. I love people. I'm one of those rare ones. I love people, and I love food and people go together. And I love when people are happy with food. And you can make really yummy food that's still healthy, like my cheesesteaks. The cheese isn't the healthiest, but that meat, you know, and when we can get it from Sitkinak and when it's just all here, like I just love this community. I love Kodiak. I love the brewery. And I love that I'm still there. Like I miss working there, but I love I'm still connected. Like when I'm serving food, I can see everybody in there at night. I was going to say you can go very far. You know, I'm not that far. Like,
awesome.
I'm not leaving. I love everything about this town. I love the people, and I love that there's more food trucks.
Yep.
Like it's so great. I want to have like food truck Fridays where we all like put a special up, and you know you can hit the other food trucks, like get little, like do a combined stamp thing, you know, card or something. Yeah, frequent food truck flyer.
Highmark is doing the logo with the cast iron skillet on this front on the bow. That full green space is going to be used for vinyl decals of everywhere I get my stuff from. So Bounty Farms, Brightbox, Heritage Farms, future is Sitkinak, but I'm also going to get a piñata on the 1st of every month. It'll be the first Monday, and everybody that comes in on the 1st of the month to get something to eat will get to take a whack at it, and it'll have brewery tokens and like a free dinner. We opened up a restaurant at the Y, in a sense. That's the kitchen, and that's the brick and mortar. So you just come down, grab your grub, go in the brewery, have a beer, you know? It's super cool.
It's kind of perfect.
It is. So a lot of people gave me some flack for the positioning of it, and I don't have the window on this side simply because 90% of the time when the weather comes in,
it comes in this way.
This is the side it hits. We're gonna hang pegboard so that people can put their art up and sell their art.
Cool.
All Kodiak.
So check this out. Seriously tall ceiling. 7-foot ceiling in here. You can already tell this is so seriously up to code, it's ridiculous. This is probably the only thing up to code in Kodiak. It actually has fire suppression.
I was definitely not being shut down for that.
Outstanding. This makes my Blackstone look really, really amateur.
Well, today's cleaning day, so. So the idea with Million Recipes was to have, you know, changing dinners all the time. Because you don't want to eat the same thing all the time.
Right.
One of the things that I noticed is in a lot of their designs, the triple sink is here.
Yep.
And I didn't like that. I don't want you to come in and be like, oh look, there's Dee doing dishes.
Right.
Dee's just doing the dishes. No, Dee wants you to see her
Cooking. Well, yeah, this is what people are here for.
We have, everything's color coded, so you know what's vegan, what's not vegan, so we're not, and like, this we would never use for someone with a corn allergy. Same color as corn, so it's the one that's used for, you know, if we have corn in something, and we're just trying to keep everything separate. We're not open to full capacity yet. The goal is to eventually be open for breakfast. I got some homemade cards from locals that are super supportive.
And I love the local theme of everything. So what do you think? Kodiak food from a Kodiak food truck. I think it's pretty cool. If you'd like to see more of this sort of thing, go ahead and leave us a note in the comments. Otherwise, as always, thanks for your time and thanks for watching.